Okay, today guys, I'm featuring this phone from Samsung. Is the Galaxy A03 by Samsung. This one has 64 gigs of internal memory and 4 gigs of RAM. So let's unbox it. Let's see what comes in the box. I've already broken the seal. There it is. Infinity display, dual camera, comes with a battery, and plus it has this is the charger. There's this little pin here. This phone comes with 64 gigs of internal memory, 4 gigs of RAM. It has a dual SIM. The display is 6.5 inches. The operating system is Android 11. It has the main cameras. It also is just Wi-Fi connected, just plug and play. The screen size, as I said before, is 6.5 inches. The brand is Samsung Galaxy A03 A035M version GSM. Samsung Galaxy A03. Hope you like and subscribe. Only on Calabash 2001, where you get lots more videos, product review. Thank you for watching.